Hey guys, I'm Frida with WTI. We got another cold front coming through, so I'm sitting outside right now in my merino wool blanket by Woolly Mammoth. If you haven't had a wool blanket yet and you happen to live somewhere where it's kind of chilly, you need to go ahead and get yourself one. It's merino wool, so it's not really scratchy. I know that's the first thing a lot of people think of usually when they hear the word wool. But this is not scratchy. It's really soft and comfortable to snuggle with, even right against your skin. It's nice, huge size. I can fit my entire family of 5 under this, and yet still rolls up to a manageable size that you could even strap to the back of a backpack. I like having them on hand for when we have friends over for a cookout or a fire late at night. Giving these to everybody, they're always very impressed by how warm it keeps them. The wind is blowing pretty fierce today, and I can feel a little bit of air flow through it, but it's taking the chill out of the air for sure and keeping me nice and blocked in here to where I'm actually pretty comfortable sitting outside, even though it just started snowing. If you've ever smelled lanolin before, that's what this smells like. It's really good, just a natural scent. Nice and thick, but not so thick that you're worried about carrying something heavy. I wouldn't get tired over time going on a hike wrapped in this. The stitching on it is holding up really, really well, but it's a polyester fiber that they stitch it with. So between the wool and the polyester, this is going to last me a really long time. So whether you're keeping it in the back of your car for cases of emergency or to have an impromptu picnic, this is the perfect blanket to keep on you. It holds up so well to all the abuse we put it through. It's just a really naturally tough fiber. And that is my warm, comfortable point of view.